In this video, we're going to be looking at VILTROX's K60 RGB stick light. Now, I've been using the K60 for a desk light. I've actually have both of them mounted on my desk. So when I do live streaming or whenever I'm recording a video at my desk, they are always set up and ready to go, which is super easy. One thing that I hate about lights is I have to set up my stands, I have to set up the lights and then get all that stuff. That just adds time to the process. Having these already mounted on my desk, they have such a small footprint that allows me to not even have to worry about them. And then when I'm ready to record something, boom, I get straight into recording, allowing me to put out more content. So I think these things are absolutely truly a game changer for me at the moment. Now in the box, I do get two RGB sticks, which I think is really fantastic because if you wanted to use it for a lighting setup, you can have one as your key light, one as your fill light, or one behind you as an accent color. Like you can see here, I have one here that's orange and then I have one there that is white. I'm actually doing a product video at the moment and they also work out very well because I'm able to light my product nice and evenly, and I can use the second light to add some accent colors. Now these lights are also equipped with about, I think, 26 different special effect modes that you can use, from lightning to fireworks to explosions to different types of things. But the most powerful thing that to me is that they're able to connect with your phone app. And once you use the app allows you to really dial in the color. You can dial in white balance. If you want to do something like 56K or you want to do 3200 Kelvin, you can dial that in. And then also you can even pull the magenta or the green. You can add or pull out, which I see that option on some of my bigger iFootage lights. It's good to see that VILTROX is actually implementing that into their RGB lights. Now this light does include 4 operations mode. You do have a CCT mode. You also have an HSL, RGBW, and you also have the scenes, which you can actually build your own scenes, which I've got a couple of scenes I've already built. There's also a 0 to 360 degree color wheel, which can allow you to dial up any color that you can pretty much that's in the color wheel. You are able to achieve that with these RGB stick lights. Now their color range as far as the Kelvin scale goes all the way down to 2500 Kelvin all the way up to 8500 Kelvin. Each RGB stick light has 266 LEDs evenly spaced inside of there to produce a nice good light. And also the diffusion on the outside, the finish makes it have a really nice good roll off as far as the diffusion. You don't really get too many harsh shadows, which makes it great again from doing product reviews. Now you can also control these lights individually just by using the panels on each light, but I also recommend using them with the app to actually have maximum control and the maximum features out of these lights. Now the max luminance on these lights is 1950 LM with a maximum luminance of 1800 LUX at 100%. Max power output is 20 watts. They do also have a Type-C USB charging port on them, which you're able to charge the lights and also power the lights, which I recommend doing. They say they can last, well, I've had about 100% and it lasted about an hour, but for me, ultimately, I always have them plugged in so I do not have to worry about power issues at all. Now, the size of these things come in at about 578.3 by 40.5 by 39.2. Now, the light also weighs about 569 grams. Now, one of the added features that I was really shocked about, that they do come with this lighting grid, which is absolutely fantastic. You can see I got the lighting grid on one of them there. It really helps to directionalize that light, and especially when I'm at my desk, I do have them on because my camera is right next to one of the lights, and that before the light was bleeding into my camera, making my video look very decontrast. When I put the actual grid on, night and day difference. Brought my contrast back into the video, directed the light straight onto me where it needed to be. Absolutely fantastic. You get 2 of them also inside, which that shocked me when I pulled that out and saw the 2 grids. I'm like, this is very cool. All right, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing here. We get this absolutely nice little case, and inside here we have the 2 RGB stick lights. And also we have these 2 grid attachments which help us to focus the light. Absolutely fantastic. Also, we do have like this little connector, I think, that allows us to connect both of the sticks into one, 2 USB Type-C cables for charging, instructions, and another little piece here. I'm really not sure what that's for. So that's my quick review of the VILTROX K60 RGB stick lights. If you guys got any questions, go ahead and hit me up down below in the comments. I'll have all the links for all their stuff down below. Keep filming. It's the only way you'll get better. Peace.